In this video, I'm going to explain about ES6 features. So I'll start from first let and const arrow functions multi-line strings default pa- parameters restructuring assignment objects and arrays enhanced object literal promises template literal classes modules rest and spread operator and new object methods. So these are some of the features that were introduced in ES6. Before this, it was ES5 and ES6 was introduced in 2015. Let and const are blocks, scope, variables which were introduced. Uh, Instead of using where these two new variables were introduced and according to their requirement they are used wherever block scope or reassignment or constant values are required. So according to that arrow functions uh, compact way to write a function compact way uh, we can write functions in a very compact way, that is the use of arrow functions multi-line strings. So we can write multi-line strings using backticks. Default parameters like passing values if I am writing function some name calculation, if I have to give a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 15. So these default values can be passed inside the function while passing the parameter passing them as arguments, so that these the default parameters can be given values then and there. Destructuring an array assignment, whenever we want to destructure an array we can write const name comma age is equal to user, whatever it is there it will extract these two values from user. That is what it is used for uh, in destructuring. That was also introduced in ES6 as a new feature, enhanced object literal. This we have seen in pure components where uh, we have seen in higher order components where where there was one function passed inside of the other and it changes and adds some enhanced features into it. So yes, like function, if I write some values with loading and then is loading comma users, these are the like passing the parameters inside the functions, that is for enhanced object literals promises as we know when we want to define a task where we know that it is promised that the task will be run. So for that promises were used, it's a huge topic. It is hard to describe it in one line. Basically, like promise will use in real life. So these are also similar to that. Promise that the task will run. But in future, template literal, like we can easily write a value if there is a value here. If I have given greeting is equal to welcome somewhere inside the function, to if I have to write it in JavaScript form, so we can write using backticks, that dollar sign, open bracket, greetings, close bracket, exclamation. So this using writing strings using this backticks is template literals. Also, it gives values. Also, if there is number five and num is equal to five, so this will also print the value of number. Classes classes were not introduced inside JavaScript, but before 2015. But after ES6 features were introduced, classes were also there, but it does not behave in the same way it behaves in other programming language like Java or C++. Classes have the same similar kind of function. Like if I have written classes in front of any uh, declared class is there, class user, and then it has this dot name is equal to name, this dot age is equal to age. Likewise, that in similar way that we had in Java modules, if I want to import or export something, import, there is a value of pi inside of the other file, then we can import it, import pi from dot slash math.js. So if I have to bring it, we can import it using maths. In, I can import it using import keyword. That is because of these modules of import and export. Also, we can export it also. Rest operator and spread operator. Rest is used to uh, combine all the elements in one array, and this is used to unpack or spread the operators, like array or objects. It spreads them and opens it. We have seen its example also. Yes, well, this is also a vast topic, but yes, it is used for objects and arrays vastly, and it has main purpose while object destructuring. New object methods like object dot assign, comma object dot entries, comma object dot values. These are introduced in ES6. So these are a few features of ES6 that were not before already there in ES5. These were introduced. That is it. Thank you.